We're often asked by residents and fellows, how soon should I start looking for malpractice insurance? While you don't want to start the process too soon, there are advantages to kicking things off early to get an idea of how much it's going to cost you, what kind of coverage you need, and how soon you can get your proof of insurance. In today's episode, we're going to give you an overview of the malpractice insurance application process, how long it takes, when you should get started, and what you need to know to ensure that you have the coverage you need to get credentialed and be on your way. Welcome to Malpractice Insights, the show dedicated to helping healthcare professionals understand medical malpractice insurance and providing you with the solutions you need so that you can get back to the work of practicing good medicine. My name is Jennifer Wiggins, CEO of Aegis Malpractice Solutions, and I'm so glad you've joined us today. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Thanks so much for being here. We release a new episode every week, both on YouTube and your favorite podcast streaming platform. So be sure to like and subscribe to stay connected. All right, let's jump in. When it comes to malpractice insurance, it can be a little confusing when you're trying to determine how soon to start shopping around and how long it will take for you to get covered. So let's start with the big picture. What's the process for securing malpractice insurance? The malpractice insurance application process is really broken down into 5 phases. First, select an agent. Second, obtain quotes and review your coverage options. Third, complete an application. Fourth, review your offers and then bind coverage. And fifth, pay your premium. First, let's look at how to select an agent. The malpractice insurance marketplace can be overwhelming for healthcare providers. You may not know what carriers are even out there, what policy types they offer, and what makes one company better than the next. For that reason, it's best to work with an independent agent to represent your interests in the marketplace. But do your homework to find an agent that specializes in medical malpractice, has experience and knowledge in your state or region, and has access to the best carriers available. You should be able to trust your agent to represent you well, understand your coverage needs, provide ongoing support, and help you find the insurance carrier that's the best fit for you, while ensuring that you're not overpaying. It's generally recommended that you contact an agent 4 to 5 months before you anticipate seeing your first patient. This gives you time to discuss your plans to determine which policy type is right for you, how much insurance you may need, and it allows the agent to give you some preliminary premium estimates to help you budget. Once you've selected an agent and started the conversation about your malpractice needs, you'll want to get quotes to review all of your options. Your malpractice insurance agent will ask for some basic information to begin shopping around. It can take 1 to 2 weeks for your agent to obtain all of the quotes from the various carriers in the marketplace. After the agent has collected all of the quotes, they will present them to you and talk to you about all of the various options, explaining the premiums, the differences between carriers, and the choices that you can select from. This is a good time for you to decide if you're interested in occurrence or claims-made coverage, and to determine what policy limits you'd like for your new insurance policy. Your agent can help provide you with quotes and pricing scenarios for several different options. Once you have selected the carrier that you'd like to proceed with, you will need to formally apply. Your agent can assist you in completing the application and then sending it off to the company's underwriting team for review. It typically takes 3 to 5 business days for an underwriter to review your application, collect any additional information that they may need, and then render a decision. Most malpractice insurance carriers can approve applications up to 90 days before the policy is set to start. If you need to adjust your coverage effective date after the policy has been approved, it's okay to request a change. Once your application is approved, the carrier will issue a bindable quote, and formal terms for your consideration. At this time, you'll be able to review the offer from the insurance carrier and decide if you'd like to accept the policy and bind coverage. Once you bind, a policy number will be generated and your agent will provide you with proof of insurance, typically with a certificate of insurance. You can use this certificate of insurance for credentialing or any other proof of insurance needs until your full policy is received. Most insurance carriers do not require premium to be paid at the time of binding. You generally have 30 days from the start date of your policy to make payment, and most insurance carriers offer payment plans or financing options if you need to split up the payments over the year. If you find yourself in a situation where you just need some quotes, but you're not ready to formally apply for coverage yet, contact a knowledgeable malpractice insurance agent to start discussing your options. We frequently talk to doctors who are considering options for the future, but they're just not ready to apply yet. An agent can help you confidentially explore coverage options and get you some premium estimates for you to make your plans. As a general rule of thumb, plan on at least 30 days to get your malpractice insurance set up. But if you find yourself in a pinch and you need coverage sooner than that, an experienced agent can speed up the process for you. We had an anesthesiologist that needed coverage right away, and we were able to secure a policy for him within 24 hours. But that's not usually how it works. And if you want to ensure that you have plenty of time to review your options and pick the right policy for you, we recommend that you start the process early. If you have any questions on this topic, or you want to make sure that you're covered appropriately, click the link in the description box below where you can connect with us via phone, email, or chat today. And if you're listening, please visit us online at aegismalpractice.com. That's AEGIS malpractice.com. We have some great episodes lined up for you in the next few weeks. I hope you found this one helpful. If so, could you do me a favor and give us a like and leave a review? And be sure to subscribe to our show so that you can catch our next installment of Malpractice Insights, where we're dedicated to helping you understand medical malpractice insurance and providing you with the solutions that you need so that you can get back to the work of practicing good medicine. This is Jennifer Wiggins. Thanks for joining us.